Will the next wave of Bitcoin investors come from Robinhood? Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by Cole Peterson at News BTC and brought to you by the BitBlockBoom Bitcoin Conference that's coming to Dallas, Texas. As Bitcoin continues trading sideways within a trading range between $9,000 and $10,000, investors are busy at work speculating as to what could help fuel a further price rise for Bitcoin. Now, one strategist is noting that Bitcoin could soon see a massive influx of new capital from retail traders and particularly those trading on Robinhood. There have been countless examples of an army of return-hungry retail investors on Robinhood who have pumped the stock prices of many small companies, even some that have gone bankrupt. One strategist is now noting that this retail herd may soon grow bored with equities and direct their attention to Bitcoin, which is also offered on the Robinhood platform. In other words, they could soon stockpile into Bitcoin positions. Armed with smartphones and relatively small amounts of capital, a collective group of retail investors have been wielding massive influence over the equities market. Market speculators have been closely watching the dynamics amongst these investors who have notoriously been behind some bizarre market movements, including the massive parabolic rally seen by Hertz stock shortly after it went bankrupt. Now, to many Bitcoin veterans, this market dynamic is strikingly similar to that seen by altcoins in late 2017, when profits from Bitcoin's immediate rise cycled into smaller digital assets, allowing some investors to clock massive profits. While speaking to Bloomberg about this trend seen amongst Robinhood investors, Ben Efert, a managing partner at QVR Advisors, said it's a social media-like dynamic. Someone points out a stock that's moving and posts some charts. An influencer says, okay, we're buying it. Then everybody piles in. Matt Maley, the chief market strategist at Miller Tabak & Company, believes that these retail traders will soon target the crypto markets through the popular app, which offers access to Bitcoin and a few other tokens. He explained they're playing in another sandbox right now, but they're keeping their eyes on all the other sandboxes because they know that something like Bitcoin can make them a big profit very quick. Malley further added that this trend could kick off if Bitcoin sets a fresh yearly high, stating that interest in Bitcoin is going to pick right back up, and all those momentum players are going to say, I'm in. Now, I personally don't use the Robinhood app. I've just heard too many things about it that didn't sound good, too many negative things about it. So I've just stayed away. Now, do you use the Robinhood app? If so, please let me know about it and your thoughts about it in the comments. Now, this episode is brought to you by BitBlockBoom, the great Bitcoin conference that's coming to Dallas, Texas in August. And I say Bitcoin conference because Bitcoin is all we talk about at BitBlockBoom. We don't talk about altcoins. We don't talk about blockchain. Really, we just talk about Bitcoin. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, take a look at bitblockboom.com today. I hope I get to meet you in person at BitBlockBoom in Dallas. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin show. This is a bitblockboom.com production.